I am building a coffee table, but it's not like any other coffee table. It will consist of 6-foot rest. Let's start build it. My coffee table is taking shape. To hold the legs together, I'm using 1/2-inch plywood in the middle, and that is when I put the footrest, they're not pushing the other side, the other one. To hold it together, I'm using a dowels right here, and as the wood dowels, and I got a kit from eBay 3 years ago. Call it Wolfcraft Dowel Pro Kit. This here, and in a box, this is the main dowel. Got the clip right here, and there's the other one. This is the set for using a vertical. This dowels got this clip here, and you set the plywood up and down. It's first time I'm using a dowel. I'm not expert on this, but works very good for me, and I like it. Yeah, Woolcraft from eBay, and was the cheap one I got 2 years or 3 years ago. Okay, this was the last step, stapling the fabric in the seats, and I found it the easy way to hold it down and staple it, because it's kind of hard by hand, but yeah, it was the easy way. All right, the fabric, I got it from a Joann store, and I got 3 yards for $22, and the foam, I bought it in the eBay, and was a 24-inch by 72-inch and cost me $19. Okay, my special coffee table with footrest is completely done with a 6 footrest or 6 seats. I can use it, rest my foot, or for computer, or I can sit here, and after it's done I can hide it again underneath a table. Thank you for watching.